Bharadwaj, Chairman, Bar Council of India. May I request Honorable Solicitor General of India, Shri Tushar Mehta, to kindly speak on the occasion. कृपया आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर अपने विचार प्रकट करें.
Honorable Prime Minister of India, our beloved Shri Modi ji, Honorable the Chief Justice of India, the dignitaries on the dais, the Honorable Judges and dignitaries of the dais. Friends, today I stand here to share with you some of the issues which confronts the Indian judiciary and the Indian legal system, but more particularly to highlight the progress which we have made, for which we, the legal fraternity, will have to be ready, and that is the purpose and reason behind this conference, that is International Lawyers Conference. Friends, our country is becoming an economic powerhouse in the world. In the last decade, under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, we have taken several statutory steps, making new laws, making new policies, making new initiatives, as a result of which India has jumped to by 79th position in the index of ease of doing business. More and more people are attracted towards our nation for the purpose of investment, and we have entered an era where we have reached the era of 100% direct foreign investment through automatic route, that is complete and total transparency. And we, the legal professionals, will have to adapt ourselves and be ready. And I assure the foreign dignitaries here that we, which includes the judiciary of India and the Indian bar, are ready. Just before the function started, the Lord Chancellor was asking me about what is the position of digitization in India. Friends, under again the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, India started its journey for digitization, and we are at a stage where, as on date, India has 760 million mobile internet users, and we are adding one new user every 3 seconds. That's the position of our country on digitization. Now, justice is delivered literally at the doorstep because of the digitization. Our country, Bharat, is not only behind anyone, but is leading the world in terms of digital payment. And I would be very happy to share with you that the total digital payments which are made in India, because of, again, the visionary leadership, is 7 times that of United States of America and European Union put together. Our digital payment is 3 times the population of China. Friends, digitization has not only helped the Indian judiciary and the Indian administration of justice system, but it has helped the humanity, because the goal of the government is not just justice as per the legal books, but justice, social, political, and economical. And social justice is impossible without providing for a good health mechanism to the nation. When the world faced the COVID pandemic, which was one of the biggest human tragedy in the history of known world, India not only developed its own indigenous vaccines, but the government of India administered 2.2 billion vaccine doses free of cost, which is equal to 2.5 times the combined population of United States and European Union put together. It is nothing but a miracle which was possible only because of digitization. Friends, we know we have 25,000 district courts, 21,000 district courts, I stand corrected, 25 high courts and the Supreme Court. Every document in every court is now available in the digitized format by and large, and any common man is able to access what is lying in the courtroom. It has become a matter of past as to whether a litigant was also not knowing what has happened to his matter. Now, anyone can know anything, and that's the level of transparency our digitized judicial system has achieved. The government has also formulated a new policy based on digitization, which is called tele-law. This tele-law virtually and literally brings the justice at the doorstep of the last man standing in the line by providing him with an opportunity and a platform to just dial one number, and he would get a free legal advice of eminent lawyers who have been persuaded to work pro bono. Now, there would not be any citizen who would be deprived of his rights because of lack of legal advice. The Supreme Court has also started its own initiative under the very visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, and now we are in the e-era by the Chief Justice's court being completely paperless court. The Supreme Court of India has started a platform called Supreme Court Vidhik Anuvad Software, acronym being SUVAS, which on a real-time basis is capable of translating the judgment, order, and documents of the Supreme Court in 9 vernacular languages, which is a miracle by itself. Friends, Bharat is the present and the future of the world. Even during COVID period between 2019 and 2022, where the capital of every country was draining out of the country, our country got the maximum foreign direct investment, and people are trusting our country even for legal adjudication, and these 2 days program is a beginning of an era whereby we will be able to share our system with our counterparts, and the counterparts will share their system with India. But we as the legal fraternity will have to be fully and completely ready to meet with the challenges which comes with the global leadership which the Honorable Prime Minister has brought to our nation. More and more litigation will come. More and more people, litigants, would trust our administration of justice system, particularly mediation and arbitration, and we, as the legal fraternity members, will have to rise to that occasion, that our country continues to be the future of the world. Friends, I am thankful that the Bar Council has taken this initiative. I'm told this is just an initiative, and such programs and initiatives would continue, bringing us together and enlightening us in the field so as to ensure that we live up to the expectations which the world looks at us. I thank the Bar Council for having invited me. I thank all of you. Have a very good day. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.